Sergeant Brave here, reporting for duty. My head is crooked. Don't you do it. So, I'm on duty, and I happen to be dealing with a whole lot of ashiness. I picked this up because the girls, the civilians out there, ranted and raved about this OGX Shea Soft and Smooth lotion. But you know, I packed it wrong. That's what, whole mess. Have a little trouble here because I believe I wasted a lot of product. So today we shall discuss how to prevent lotion blowouts. This is Jessica reporting for duty. I'm going on somewhere if I say something crazy. So soldiers, first thing you need to know about lotion blowouts is you need to make sure that you recognize, identify the exact cap that you know what you're dealing with. Are you dealing with the flip cap? Are you dealing with the cap that twists off? You see what I did there? There's no questions till after the lesson is over with. Do you understand? Good. Get it? You got it? Not yet? Rewind it back. I seem to have forgotten a piece of equipment here. Don't throw shade. Duct tape. The next thing you need to be aware of, if you are going to be preventing lotion blowouts like this one, so you don't wind up in a big mess like myself, I recommend duct tape. Now, this isn't the cutest thing. I know your eyes is on this pink belt and you're saying, well, this doesn't go with your uniform. That's besides the point. Duct tape, they have it in glitter. It is the holidays of different shades. Get yourself preferably clear duct tape and cut about this much. Don't use your teeth. Cut the tape. Resist the urge to put your teeth on them duct tape. You're going to need about this much, soldiers. Let it drop, as well as the scissors. Well, let me switch this around. Flip caps are the most susceptible to having lotion blowouts. Place the side of the tape that is the widest along the length of the nozzle here, if you have a flip cap, and place that on top. That's the first step, soldiers. I want to see all of you doing that. I'll give you approximately 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. This needs to go over directly where it opens and it expels the lotion, so you don't wind up looking crazy like me. Push it over, and now it's sealed. Unless you directly pop this off, you will not have any more instances of lotion blowouts. It's just that simple. Now, what do you do when you open it? Peel it off, take it out. Putting this in my glove, I do not care. And you put on the lotion. Proper this time. Don't be like me. And actually rub it all the way in. I hate lotion blowouts, especially when they're wasting your purse. Now, I'm going to add an extra tip. If you have freezer bags, do this step with the clear duct tape. And then start from the back of the hinges of the flip caps. Or if you have twist caps of lotion, cut out a piece of duct tape that is the exact length to fit around that circular twist cap. Make sure the cap is twisted on very tightly. I encourage you to rewind. And then you wrap it around the cap. Get clear or get something cute and girly. That'll make a statement. Stay focused. Stay focused. Put it in the freezer Ziploc bag after you've done the flip cap method, or you've wrapped it around a nozzle twist cap type of lotion if that's what you're dealing with. And then you seal it. So that way if it comes loose, it explodes in the bag and not all over you like what you're seeing is happening to me. You're right. I encourage you to try all of these things. Oh, and on either side is going to be a playlist for you all to enjoy, so you can just learn how to prevent those type of accidents, soldiers. You know what to do. Going back to duty, I think I'll have to take a shower in order to get this off of me. I'm not going to spend any longer looking like a fool. Love ya. When I think about love, it's one of the bravest things that you can do. It is patient. It is kind. It does not envy or boast. And it'll keep you on the coast of not being rude or self-seeking. Nor is it easily angered or seething mad. And it keeps no records of wrongs. It has no pleasure in evil, but it rejoices in the truth. And most of all,